So, hi friends, today with new question. Okay, let's get into the video. The question is, it's very simple. Okay, I am moving, right? Right? You are moving, right? Right? Everything is always moving, right? Right? The Earth spinning, right? Right? The Milky Way galaxy spinning, right? Right? Everything is moving, right? Everything is always at motion state, right? Who is that? Don't you think? Hmm? That is the question. Okay, why everything in our space always at motion state? Okay, everything is moving constantly. Who is that? Because of Big Bang? Big Bang is a lie. Okay, if Big Bang really happened, what could have triggered it? Okay, like that. So, who is it? You moving, me moving, everything moving. Why? Just why? Okay, always at motion state. Everything in our space is always at motion state. Okay, the only thing is not moving is the space itself. Okay, the one blank thing holding us. Okay, I talked about in my other video. You can check this out. Yeah, why? Why everything is always at motion state? If you put the rocket in the land, it's not moving, right? So what is the problem with you? We can ask. But if you put rock in the land itself moving, okay? The atom itself moving, okay? The light itself is moving. Who is that? That is my question. If you know the answer, you can tell me. Yeah? Just think about it. Why everything is moving, okay? Why? Just why? Atoms, electrons, neutrons, photons, protons, everything. Okay, everything is always in motion state. There is no end for that. Okay, there is no end for everything. Okay, in space there is no end. Okay, for everything. Okay, if you count, there will be infinity. Okay, if you living, there will be infinity. Okay, for the space, it's infinity itself. Okay, there is no end for that. Okay, the time is infinity. Okay, there is no end for anything. Okay, just it's all moving. Okay, but why? Just why? That is my question. Let's see you on another video. Okay? Bye.